Hi. For students of professional degrees, it is very important to know how to write a research or project proposal. A proposal simply means a request or suggestion for support for sponsored research or projects. Good proposals quickly and easily answer the following questions. What do you want to do? And how do you plan to do it? How much will it cost? And how much time will it take? How does the proposed project relate to the sponsor's interests? What difference will the project make to your institution, discipline, the state, the nation, or any other concerned parties? What has already been done in the area of your project? Why should you rather than someone else do this project? How will the results be evaluated? So before writing your project proposal, you should know what should be included in your proposal. So first and foremost, uh, thing in a proposal is a sensible title. Your title should give a clear indication of your proposed research approach or key question. It should be very clear and to the point. Then, background and rationale you should include. The background and the issues of your proposed research. Identify your discipline first, then a short literature review, a summary of key debates and developments in the field should be in this section. Next, research questions. You should formulate this clearly, giving an explanation as to what problems and issues are to be explored and why they are worth exploring. Next, research methodology. You should provide an outline of the theoretical resources to be drawn on the research approach, a theoretical framework, the research methods appropriate for the proposed research, a discussion of advantages as well as the limitations of particular approaches and methods. Next, plan of work and time schedule. You should include an outline of the various stages and corresponding timelines for developing and implementing the research, including writing up your thesis. For full-time study, your research should be completed within 3 years, with writing up completed in the fourth year of registration. For part-time study, your research should be completed within 6 years, with writing up completed by at least by the eighth year. The last one is bibliography. In bibliography or references, you have to include the list of references to key articles and texts discussed within your research proposal. A selection of sources appropriate to the proposed research should be there in the bibliography. Of course, there are many formats, very detailed formats. This can be, I think, a very simple format for writing your proposal. Thank you.